Hello viewers, welcome to One Studio. Today we will show how we created this ad design for our client. So while we are waiting, let's get started. First of all, I am going to open Adobe Photoshop software. Then I am gonna create a new document from the File menu. I am going to take an artboard of 1080 by 1080 pixels. I need a background. So I am gonna select the brush tool and reduce the hardness of this brush. Then I have to click on the artboard area where I want to apply the colors. Now we will take a solid circle for adding the product image. Alright, our background design is done. Now I am gonna add product details from the type tool. I will add all the product details step by step. It's a simple process, so I'm going to be quick. You can scale font size as you wish to make your design look beautiful. Our product has some more features. So I am going to take 4 shapes where I will add product features. Now we need product images, so I'm going to add our product images by clicking the Open option from the File menu. You can resize the product image as you wish and place it in the right place. I am going to add some more circles to make the design beautiful. Now I am going to give the web address. I'll add the WhatsApp and website icon by clicking the Open option from the File menu. Then place the icons in the right place. Alright, our design is done. Do not forget to contact us if you need this kind of ads design. Contact information is provided in the description box.